Don't know if you guys are familiar with Funny Marco, but this dude right here is just on a whole nother freaking level. He's a funny dude. Anyway, he was talking to Miss Angel Reese. All right, she plays pro basketball, WNBA.
It's because you tall as you just don't know how to like. You don't know how
Uncle,
to
what is
be.
tall to do with
You don't know
anything?
how to be submissive.
Mm.
Okay.
So if we can actually try to get you somebody that you like,
That
that you can
I will,
physically.
I will, that I will allow to be submissive. Or, or
Wait. Look at her facial expression when he says something about being submissive. Boy, I tell you, boy, it be written all over their face. You can easily tell when you're dealing with a feminine, submissive woman. As soon as them mofos hear that word submissive, everything changes.
So if we can actually try to get you somebody that you like,
that
that you can
I
physically.
will, that I will allow to be submissive.
Uh,
Or, or allow me to be submissive. That's what you're saying?
Yeah, what do submissive mean again?
Just
mm-hmm.
being able to, like, I'm guessing, like, let your guard down, being soft, like a soft girl.
And
You don't think I'm,
that's some,
you don't think that's me, though?
no, that's not you. You the type like you wouldn't cuddle either. You don't like cuddling and shit. You want
I'm
to do
a
back to
lover.
back.
Wait, I'm a lover girl.
No, no,
I'm
no,
definitely cuddling.
no. But I'm saying just the fact that you like you booty to booty type of person. Like you turn around and I turn around.
No, I'm little
And that's
spoon.
not okay. And this what I'm saying.
I'm
You,
like I'm little spoon. He big spoon. That's me. That's
no.
No.
okay.
No. That just doesn't work like that. What like when it comes to
Don't ask me about no man because I'm not interested. I'm not gonna keep repeating myself when it comes to that.
all right, somebody got an addy, and that's attitude.
And this is the issue, right? Because you have young ladies like this that might be in their prime. They're getting a whole bunch of attention. They probably get into the bag or whatever. And yeah, right now, I don't need no man. I don't need no man. I don't need nobody. I'm good with where I'm at. They probably again getting it whenever they need. But when ish hit the fan, they start to get a little bit older and certain things start to drop. It don't sit like it used to. That inbox start drying up and the quality of men start to decrease and dudes start switching up on her. I'm telling you, it never fails. They try to come back to the front of the congregation, but it be too damn late. You should have chose when you had all those options out there. Now, when that thing start drying, nope. The men that were checking for you are no longer checking for you. Now, you got to take what you can get, baby girl. Yeah, man, they cashing out. They're waiting too long to cash out on their golden ticket, that meal ticket. Bless their heart. But anyway, y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments about Miss Angel Reese? Would y'all consider her as somebody that's a feminine, submissive woman? I would love to hear that down in the comments. I'd love to see that down in the comments because I think that a lot of people get this mixed up. Drop it down in the comments and let's talk about it, all right?
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was you know they roll.